BANPLIEBOK KHONGJOH, who is an under-11 football player of the MAWLATBAH United FC Hawks Club, had left for Haryana on 14 February 2021 after having been selected to undergo 6 years of training at the Baichung Bhutia Football Academy in Haryana. On this count, he was felicitated by residents of MAWLATBAH village on 12 February 2021 in the presence of the Sardar of the area, Maran Singh, and others. Speaking at the function, Sardar of MAWLATBAH village, Maran Singh, wished the young footballer the very best in his endeavour to become the best player through his 6 years of training at the Baichung Bhutia Football Academy in Haryana. At a meeting on 13th February 2021, the MLA of MAWKYNREW constituency and also Meghalaya Sports Minister Bante Lingdo conveyed his best wishes to the promising young player who he expects to bring laurels to his family, the constituency and to the state as a whole.
Football ako India ka lang kip, mapok state ni number 1 sports football. So kuman nang ito manen ginang yo ban priang bagi ngiwi ka jingwan hai ba tungi na tungi bile ka kickboxing miklia kickboxing national kili ban participate siapo Haryana lawan hai but onong seder dun lawan hai but ka jingwan hai tungi jingwan ra bagi medal yo manirap ka bala ai kiru kalong ai ka ba ki khana tungi kidon sa do ta kilong very talented mga if you don't come ban betin lenti don't come mangin play la printi dalam play la printi ti mo sino kin boy tikani ka dai ka ba na kali jonga nganum kwa ban kran asibot ana sukumen bang kitpok ke yang ya ban plebok mo sa sisi play don ka pi select sok play sign but ginang ya kenduk na ko report show report but kani ka training ka ba piapan sa antungan dai si Andrews na Andrews nam ka snam ka pelajarong ba ngangit ba hagi ni snam kiba piniat dan practice ba pindan ba ni academy pinla ba nila kai pila pam ni oso siya yapi nakabenta ka burom jong di kesan nakabenta burom jong constituency mata burom jong pasti di chuni bro tangi ni kintian kiba kindiat